I'm just gonna show you how to play some blues in C. I'll play it first, then show you the chords. Play it different strum patterns, but I just made it simple, straight quarter notes in the beginning. So you have your C7, that's just barring all the strings at the 3rd fret, 2nd finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, that's C7. And then the F9, taking your 3rd finger, you're barring 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string, and then the 1st finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So you got C7, F9, and the other chord will be move it a whole step up from the F9. You're going to have G9. This is at the 5th fret. So it's and on the 4th beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. When going into the F9, I do on the 4th beat, I do a half step above. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. G9, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go down a half step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the turnaround. C7, F9, C7, G9. That's it. All right, thank you.